Tecno has been on fire this year with stylish phones. For example, the Camon 40 delivered solid performance and a standout Glacier design. They also released an entry-level Pop 10 and Spark 40, which mimics the iPhone 16 and rumored iPhone 17 Pro design respectively. Now Tecno brings its latest gaming-centric lineup, the Pova 7 series. This family includes 5 models: the Pova 7 4G, the Pova 7 5G, Pova 7 Pro 5G, Pova 7 Curve 5G, and the beast of them all, the Pova 7 Ultra 5G. Each phone is designed for young users, gamers, and content creators, blending futuristic style with solid specs. Let's dive into the details to see which of this phone is right for you. Design and build quality. The Pova 7 phones share a striking triangular delta motif on the rear camera module. Tecno calls it an interstellar spaceship design with geometric lines and 104 mini LED status lights. These lights glow for calls, notifications, charging, and even sync to music, a feature first introduced with this series. Overall, it feels bold and futuristic, though the phones are plastic built. All Pova 7 series carry an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. Button and port placement is standard. The power button and the fingerprint reader and volume on the right, SIM tray on the left, USB-C and speaker at the bottom, and the IR blaster up top. Display quality. The displays are where these phones really shine. Here's the breakdown. The Pova 7 4G sports a 6.78-inch IPS LCD, 1080p resolution, and 120Hz refresh rate. Great for everyday use, but not as vibrant as the AMOLED. While the Pova 7 5G comes with a 6.78-inch LTPS IPS with screen size of 1080 by 2460. And refresh rate of 144 Hz. It has a brightness of 900 nits, smooth and responsive, which is ideal for gaming. The Pova 7 Pro 5G also comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED 1.5K resolution, 144 Hz, and 4500 nits peak brightness. The Pova 7 Curve 5G sports a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED 444 Hz and 1300 nits brightness, protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, vibrant colors and deep blacks for premium experience. The Pova 7 Ultra 5G with 6.67-inch AMOLED 1.5K resolution has 144 Hz refresh rate, 4500 nits peak brightness, perfect for HDR content and outdoor visibility. In practice, these phones are great for gaming and video. Now the performance. At the top, the Pova 7 Ultra 5G is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate chipset, built with a 4nm process. This is a beastly mid-range 5G chip. Tecno even touts an Antutu score around 1.5 million. It's paired with up to 12GB RAM plus 12GB virtual and 256GB storage by default, and you can configure it up to 24GB total, which is 12GB plus 12GB extended. It has a massive 12-layer heatsink vapor chamber cooling system, which keeps it from throttling. On the other hand, the Pova 7 Pro 5G, Pova 7 5G, and Core 5G models use the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate chip, built on an efficient 4nm process, delivers smooth gameplay, rapid response times, and a seamless experience for everyday tasks and the majority of mobile games. While the base Pova 7 4G offers solid performance for each segment, powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate processor, fast enough for apps and some games, though not as futuristic proof as the 5G models. The Ultra has the highest end RAM. Gaming and multitasking feel snappy on all models. AI features. Tecno's new HiOS 15 software is packed with AI tricks. Every Pova 7 phone has an Ella AI assistant and an AI portal on the home screen that gives one-tap access to smart tools. For example, AI calls assistant features noise cancellation, real-time call translation, voice print spam filtering, and even call summarization. There are also AI writing tools and a circle to search visual search function. In the camera or gallery, Tecno adds creative AI features such as the AI Eraser 2.0, an AI image extender, as well as a portrait style transfer tool. All these can be launched by holding the power or Ella button or via shortcuts. The software. All models shipped with Android 15 out of the box. iOS 15 brings a clean new look with over 300 redesigned icons, smooth animations, and the AI hub. Tecno promises 2 years OS upgrades for the Pro and Ultra models and at least 1 year upgrade for the base Pova 7 4G. The camera. The Pova 7 Ultra 5G is equipped with a powerful 108MP main camera paired with an 8MP ultra wide lens on the rear, complemented with a 13MP front camera for selfies and video calls. The Pova Curve 5G features a 64MP Sony IMX682 sensor and a 2MP depth camera on the back with a 13MP front camera. Pova 7 Pro 5G features a 64MP Sony IMX682 main sensor alongside the 8MP ultra-wide lens, which also doubles as a micro lens for close-up shots. The front camera is a 13MP unit. The Pova 7 5G sports a 50MP dual camera setup on the rear, accompanied by a secondary sensor and a 13MP selfie camera on the front. Lastly, the Pova 7 4G comes with a 108MP main camera and a 2MP secondary lens on the back, alongside with an 8MP front camera. All models have common features like the dark mode, panorama, and can record smooth video. In daylight, the Ultra's 108MP sensor captures extremely detailed shots. Battery. The Pova 7 4G model stands out with a 7000 mAh battery, 45 watts fast charging, which charges 50% in 29 minutes. This can last days on a single charge, while the Pova 7 5G and 5G Pro has 6000 mAh battery, 45 watts fast charging, which gives all-day power for heavy users. Despite Pova 7 Curve 5G notably slim profile, it has a 5500 mAh battery, 45 watts charging, providing excellent endurance in a sleek form factor. The Pova 7 Ultra 5G comes with a 6000 mAh battery, 70 watts wire charging, which charges 50% in 18 minutes, the fastest of this bunch. All the Pova models support bypass or pass-through charging, so you can charge and play without overheating. And the AI charging system, a feature also seen in the Common series, which intelligently learns user charging habits and ensures an ultra higher cycle life of the battery. This means the battery is designed to maintain 80% of its original capacity even after 5 years of consistent use. Sound and connectivity. All models features dual stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos for impressive audio, perfect for movies and games. Connectivity includes NFC, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, with 5G support on the Pova 7 5G, 5G Pro, Curve 5G, and Ultra 5G. The base Pova 7 is limited to 4G, but includes free link for communication in low signal areas up to 500 meters range. Unboxing. You'll find the phone, a fast charger, which are 45 watts or 70 watts depending on the model, a USB-C cable, a protective case, and some paperwork, which is basically everything you need to hit the ground running. The price. Pricing varies by region, and availability in Nigeria and other countries may depend on local retailers based on Indian prices and estimated conversions. The Pova 7 4G is priced at 10,000 Indian rupee, which is 180,000 Naira and $120. The Pova 7 5G is priced at 12,999 Indian rupee, which is around 234,000 Naira and $156. The Tecno Pova 7 5G Pro or Pro 5G is priced around 18,999 Indian rupee, which is around 338,000 Naira and $222. The Pova 7 Curve 5G is priced around 15,999 Indian rupee, which is around 288,000 Naira and $192. While the beast in the game, which is the Pova 7 Ultra 5G, is priced around 20,999 Indian rupee, which is around 378,000 Naira and $253. The Pova 7 lineup is lively and well-rounded, great for gamers, power users, and anyone who wants tons of battery. It is a large device with plastic build. If these features are okay for you, you get a whole lot of phone for the money, complete with flashing lights and AI assistance. Let me know in the comment section which Pova series you prefer, and also do well to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. From us to you, stay creative, live in the moment. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.